Okay, in this part of the video, we're going to do our next step, which is basically just to show back to the user of the application exactly what data they have put in. So I'm actually going to go here. Let's see, I'm just put a little comment here that says populate rainfall amounts. Then I'm going to create a method here that just says show rainfall amounts. So I need to go outside of my main method here, and we're going to create another method called show rainfall amounts in main method. I'll go ahead and copy this here, and we'll create our method right here. Let's make it private. Void, since it's not going to return anything back. And the name of our method, and we don't need to pass it any parameters. So we'll put here's the body of our method. And basically all we want to do is show back to the user what the rainfall amounts were. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clear the screen, clear the console screen. I'm calling this clear method. Then I'm going to put some headings on here. I'm going to put no, let's just go straight into the loop here. So we're going to create another loop. Again, use I as my index into the loop. I'm going to go through every element in both the months and the rainfall amount array. And we'll do that one at a time. Let's make this static. Alright. So here, again, we're just showing the user what they've entered in here. So we'll just put a console dot write line. So many inches of rain fell in and then whatever month we have here. So our first placeholder will go into our rain amounts array. And then our second placeholder will go into our months array. So let's execute this. Control F5. Going into rainfall amounts in. Just make up some amounts here. Enter it all in, and then here's where I'm showing it back. 1 inches of rain, should be 1 inch, I guess, right? 1 inch of rain fell in January, 2 inches of rain fell in February, and so on down the line. So it displays it back to me. Oops. One thing I may want to go in here and do is, let's put that in parentheses. Correct the grammar just a bit there. Alright, the next thing I may want to do is show the total amount of rainfall. Show total rainfall for the year. So we'll create a method for that. I'll do a copy just so I don't misspell it. Again, I'm not passing it any information. So here I need to figure out how much the total amount of rainfall is for the year. So I'm going to create a variable called total. And again, I'm going to have the same loop here. All right, ni equals 0. Rain amount dot length. Total plus equal rain amount I. So what this is going to do is go through every element in the rain amount array and add that to this running total. So let's go up here and initialize total to 0 to begin with, so that it's starting out at a known state. Then once it's finished, I'll just do a console.writeLine. The total amount of rainfall for the year was, replace for in there, inches. And then of course in our placeholder we're going to put the variable, whatever's in the variable total. And here it's giving me an error because it's wanting me to give a return type. We're not returning anything. We'll put void there. Okay, so if we can run this just to test it out. Again, just being anything in here. Whoop. Gotta put something. Here I've got our, again, it's executing this show rainfall amount method, which again shows number of inches for each month. Then we're calling the show total rainfall for year method, calculates the total, and it says the total amount of rainfall for the year was 28 inches. So all of these amounts here should add up to 28. In the next video here, we'll take a look at doing the average amount of rainfall for the year and see how we calculate that.